Meet the amazing Rabbit R1, a new AI device presented at CES 2024 that's changing technology. This small and handy device has a special camera that can turn all the way around and a screen that's easy to see. The Rabbit R1 works with its own software, Rabbit OS, and a smart system called Lamb to understand what you say in a simple way. Forget about using many apps, just talk to it, and the Rabbit R1 will help you plan trips, organize your day, and control other devices. It connects easily with all your tech stuff, giving you great control. Only $199. It has a battery that lasts a long time, 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and a cool design made by teenage engineering. The Rabbit R1 is more than just a device. It uses smart AI to help with daily tasks and is a big step forward in technology. Be a part of this exciting change with Rabbit R1. For the coolest AI updates, follow Arcitech AI. Share this and stay tuned. See you at the next big thing.